Hello and welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global. If you are a physiotherapist planning to work abroad, this video is for you. Today, I will show you 1. Job opportunities in New Zealand and Canada. 2. Licensing requirements. 3. Step-by-step registration process. 4. And the truth about sponsorship. Let's begin. Section 1. New Zealand physiotherapy jobs. New Zealand has strong demand for physiotherapists in hospitals, rehabilitation centres, aged care, private clinics, employers, health NZ hospitals, private physio clinics, rehab centres. Some offer relocation support, job placement. Sponsorship depends on registration. Section 2. NZ licensing. Physiotherapy Board NZ. To work in NZ, register with Physiotherapy Board of New Zealand, PBNZ. Requirements: degree in physiotherapy, transcript, clinical experience, English test, IELTS/OET. Steps: 1. Apply to PBNZ. 2. Qualification assessment. 3. Competency review. 4. Possible bridging/supervised practice. 5. Registration. 6. Apply for jobs. 7. Apply for AEWV visa. Section 3. Canada physiotherapy jobs. Canada needs physiotherapists in hospitals, long-term care, rehab clinics. Section 4. Canada licensing. CAPR. To work in Canada. CAPR. Canadian Alliance of Physiotherapy Regulators. Steps: 1. Credential assessment. 2. Eligibility. 3. Write exam, written plus clinical. 4. Provincial license. 5. Apply for jobs. 6. Work visa/PR. Section 5. Sponsorship reality. Sponsorship is not automatic. You must be licensed or in process. Best strategy: start licensing first. Conclusion: New Zealand NZ, PBNZ, job, AEWV. Canada CAPR, license, job. Comment: Physio New Zealand Canada if you want employer list. Remember, relocation is not just logistics. It's also a season of preparation. Rather than rushing, prepare your 1. Mindset. 2. Credentials. 3. Strategy. If this video helped, like, share, and subscribe. Purpose Path TV Global. Guiding purpose. Empowering lives.